Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, joining as a member. Membership helps the channel a lot. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this tote bag. Guys, this tote bag is amazing. I always use it for my clients that buy multiple products from me, from my fashion line, and I always use it to package their work, basically their outfits, and it's been an amazing add-on to my products. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this particular tote bag. Now this tote bag does not even have a lining and it still has pockets on the inside. It's an amazing game changer and I'm going to show you guys in this video. Let's get started. So guys, you're going to cut out a piece of fabric that is 36 inches by 18 inches. That will be the body of the bag. So that's what I've cut right here. Then you're going to need to cut out a pocket piece. So your pocket is going to be 8 inches by 14 inches. 8 inches by 14 inches. That's what your pocket is going to be. And then you're going to need two straps, which will be 5 inches by 25 inches. That's what I have right here. You can make your straps longer, shorter. It depends on your preference. This is 5 inches by 25 inches right here. And once you cut out your fabrics, we're going to get started with sewing this. So guys, the first thing you're going to do with your straps, you are either going to fold it right sides facing and sew it along the edge, then turn it inside out, or you can do this method where you're going to fold it in like this and then fold it again to meet the center and then fold it so you have a probably like a 1-inch band. So this is what you have. Then you're now going to sew it along the open edge. So can you guys see? Sew it along this open edge and then you would have your strap ready. So you can either do any of the two methods I mentioned. Now I'm going to take my pocket piece and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it along the edge on a double fold using 1/2 of an inch first, then another 1/2 of an inch. So sew it down using a double fold. So I'm going to pin it down so that I can show you guys the next step to take after you finish doing this particular one. So once this edge is sewn, you're now going to fold it like this by 4.5 inches. So make sure you measure it by 4.5 inches. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it double folded on this edge. So the two edges, fold it double folds just like this. Pin it down, fold this other side as well, double fold, pin it down and sew it down just like that. So sew the two edges. Now guys, you're going to take the main fabric, the body of the bag, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it by 1 inch first. So fold it by 1 inch, then fold it by another 1 inch. Now that I've pinned it down, I'm going to go to the side right here and measure 4.5 inches. And I'm going to mark it right there. Go to this side as well, measure 4.5 inches and mark it right there. Then I'm going to take my strap and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place it inside this point right here. So the mark that we made, you're going to put your strap right there at the edge. And then you're going to take this one as well and put it at the edge right here. So make sure it's straight. Now that I've done that, we're going to do the same process on the other side of the bag, basically, of the edge of this bag. And then for our pockets, we're going to take our pocket and we're going to place it inside this place just like this. So in between this place, you're going to place it inside. And you're going to sew it down, straight down just like that. For the other side, it will be only the strap that will be there. But for this side, the pocket and the strap will be here, and just sew it down right there. So guys, can you see what it looks like? I've pinned it so that you guys can see it. This is the strap right here, and this is the pocket. So once you sew the pocket, you're going to fix it inside this place and put the straps as well. Make sure your strap is straight. And then this is the other side. It's only a strap that is going to be here. So guys, once you've sewn it, this is what it would look like. Can you see I've sewn the pockets and the edges basically? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it wrong sides facing each other. Wrong sides, not right sides facing, wrong sides facing. And then we're going to sew it along the side right here. So this side, sew it down. The other side as well, align it and sew it down. So that's what you're going to do first. Once you've sewn it, this is what it would look like. Now what you're going to do is trim the excess right here. So whatever excess you want to trim, just trim it. And then we're going to turn it inside out. Now after turning it inside out, you're now going to sew it again using 1/2 inch at the two edges that you just sewed. So sew it again, and then that will give you clean edges, clean finishes on the inside and on the outside. This is a French seam. Like I taught you guys how to do in one of my previous videos, this is exactly how to do a French seam. So sew it wrong sides facing, then right sides facing, and you have clean edges everywhere. Now guys, I have sewn it. Can you see how clean it is? It's clean on both sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my fabric like this. So open it up along the bottom part. So just open it in a triangle form. And then you're going to mark to where you have 4 inches. So can you see 4 inches right here? So 2 inches here, 2 inches here. This is what it is. And I'm just going to pin it down right there. Then just sew it down right here, and do it for the other side as well. Sew it straight down to have this boxy bottom basically for your tote bag. So sew it down right there, and we'll go to the next stage. So guys, for this part, you're going to take the straps and you're going to put it down just like this. So fold it over like this, and then you're going to sew a square along that part leading to the edge of the bag basically. So the way I've done it, you're going to sew it along that edge, and you're going to have your straps down basically, so it's not going to be going inside anyhow, so it's going to be standing right up. And then I'm going to use my Velcro piece to form as a closure. So some people don't put closure on their tote bag, but I love to put closure on my tote bag, so I'm using this Velcro piece. It's just like a 2-inch Velcro piece, and that's what I'm using right here. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Can you guys see how it looks like? It's turned out amazing. As you can see, I'm using it to package some of my outfits that I'm taking out, sending out to my clients and everything. So this is what it looks like. It is spacious, it is durable, it is everything you need. You can take it for shopping, you can take it out as a normal bag. It's definitely a sustainable piece that can be used in different ways. Guys, this is the amazing game changer tote bag right here, and I love it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it in and outside your circle, join in as a member. Membership helps the channel a lot. And if you try this out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.